Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. You are warm welcome to our online class. I am very happy because all students of 6th class are very intelligent, brilliant and very good students, because you have completed your homeworks and you have studied what I requested you. I am very glad. Okay, I am sure that you have enough familiar with place value and face value, expanded form of numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. I have asked you that to study the multiplication table minimum from 2 to 10. I hope you have studied it well. Today, let us begin another important and tasty subject, a topic. Okay? Before that, you have studied the multiplication table, I think so. Even though today at first I would like to teach you a trick or a simple way of the multiplication of 9. Okay, are you ready? Okay, it is a simple way. If you practice it more, then it will be more useful in your examination, in your life itself. Okay? Yes. If you are asked, what is the 9 times 9 or 5 times 9 or 7 into 9 or 6 into 9, then you don't want to remember 1 into 9, 2 into 9, 3 into 9, 5 into 9. No. We only want these 5 and 5 fingers. Total 10 fingers. If you have 10 fingers, then it will be very simple. Okay. I can show it. If you are asked, what is the 2 into 9? Then you have to turn the second finger. First, second, third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Then if you are asked, what is the 2 into 9? Then you have to turn this second finger. Then the fingers in the right of the turned finger, I mean this finger, it represent tens. These fingers represent ones. These all fingers represent from here to here. All fingers represents ones. Then this represent 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 the answer. If you are asked, what is the 2 into 9? Then 18. If you are asked, what is the 5 into 9? Then you have to turn this fifth finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have to turn. So, these fingers represents tens. These fingers represents ones. This is the very important step. Okay. Then 10, 10, 10, 10. 4, 10, 40. 41, 42, 43, 45, 46. Then the answer is 46. Okay. If you are asked 9 into 9, then you have to turn this 9th finger. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then these 8 fingers represents tens. Then we got 80. This represents ones. Then it is 181. Okay. Okay. It is a very simple way to find out the multiplication of 9. Okay. Please practice well. Then it will be very simple. Okay. Today let us start. How first chapter name? Yes. What is? Did you forget? No. Knowing our numbers. This is our first chapter. Let us start the first point. We have studied the basic and the main themes or terms of mathematics from previous classes. Today, let us start. May I ask a question? What is the smallest number using one digit? Smallest number using one digit. There are one digit number, then 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Okay, let us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Okay. Then which is the smallest 1-digit number? These numbers, they have only 1 digit. Okay. Here only 1 digit. Here only 1 digit. Here 1 digit. Then which is the smallest 1-digit number? Sure. Which is 1. This is the smallest 1-digit number. Which is the biggest 1-digit number? Largest. Which is the largest 1-digit number? Yes, sure. 9. 9 is the largest 1-digit number. Then 2-digit number. Start from 10, 11, 12, 13, then 99. Okay. These are the 2-digit numbers. Am I correct or not? Am I correct or not? Okay, very good. Then these are the 2-digit number. My question, which is the smallest 2-digit number? Which is? Yes, this is the smallest 2-digit number. Okay. Which is the biggest 2-digit number? Yes, this 99 is the largest 2-digit number. Are you ready? Are you okay? Did you understand? Okay. Then 3-digit number. 3-digit number. 99 plus 1. We got 100. We got 100. Then yes, these are the 3-digit numbers. These are the 3-digit numbers. Okay, my question, which is the smallest 3-digit number? Sure, this 100 is the smallest 3-digit number and which is the largest 3-digit numbers? 999. Then 4-digit numbers. 4-digit number? Yes, sure. 4-digit number? Yes. Here we add 1 with 999. When we add 1 with 999, we got 1000. Okay. 1000. 1001. Then it will go 9,999. 9,999. Are you okay? Which is the smallest 4-digit number? Can you answer? Which is the smallest 4-digit number? Sure. This is the smallest 4-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit numbers. Which is the largest 4-digit numbers? Yes, sure. This is the 9,999 is the largest 4-digit number. Here, if you check, if you watch clearly, carefully, if you listen this table, you will find out one more points, important points related with this smallest and largest numbers using 1 digit or one more digits. Okay? What did you understand? First smallest digit, one smallest number using 1 digit is 1. Okay? Then the largest number using 1 digit, 9. Here please, when we add this 9 plus 1, when we add 1 with the 9, we got the smallest 2-digit number. We got smallest 2-digit number. Sure? Yes. When we add these largest 2-digit number, when we add 1 with the largest 2-digit number, we got the smallest 3-digit number. We got the smallest 3-digit number, 100. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Sure? Okay. When we add 1 with the largest 3-digit number, we got smallest 4-digit number. We got smallest 4-digit number. 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. 1000. Then we got this. Likewise, we can find out every digits numbers adding the biggest or largest number. When we add any largest number using any digits, we can find out the next smallest digit number. Okay? Sure? Did you understand? This is very important one. Let us study how can read these numbers, how can find out the largest numbers, how can find out the smallest number. We have to study it well. Please listen here. I will give you some more questions. You have to write this table. If you open your textbook, page number 2, you can see a table here. Number of digits, smallest number, largest number. headlines are these: number of digits, smallest number, largest number. You have to write down in your notebook this table carefully, and please listen this video, this teaching video, then you will be very understandful. Okay, please listen here. So 1 digit, smallest number 1, largest number 9. 2 digit, smallest number, we add 1 with 9, then we got 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is 10 is the smallest number using 2 digit. The largest number 99. When we add the 99 1, when we add 1 with 99, then we got 100. This is the smallest digit using 3 digit. Smallest number using 3 digit. Then the largest number 99. Okay, so on. Here we have to study how we can read. I will write here. Okay. Smallest 6-digit number. Which is the smallest 6-digit number? Yes. Please give 1. Then give 50. Then you got smallest 6-digit number. If you are asked which is the smallest 7-digit number, then you can add 10. Then we want 60. If you are asked 7-digit, smallest 7-digit number, then you have to write 60. Okay. Then okay. This is the smallest 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number. Please listen here. It is very simple to find out the smallest digit number. If you are asked, then you have to subtract 1 from that number. Then you can add zeros. Okay. As I do it here, if you are asked 9-digit smallest number, then you have to subtract 1 from here. First you have to write 1, then how many digits are there? 9 digits. Then you can subtract 1 from this 9, then you got 8. So you have to write here 80. This is the smallest 9-digit number. Smallest 9-digit number. Okay. My question: how will you read this number? This number is read as, please say, how can you read it? Yes, very simple. It is read. This is in the place of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Then it is read 1 lakh. It is read 1 lakh. No, it is read, passive voice. So we have to use it is read, R-E-A-D, but no, read, read. It is read 1 lakh. It is read 1 lakh. It is read. It is read ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. It is read 10 lakh. It is read 10 lakh. If we give the commas with numbers, then it will be very simple. If Almighty God, Allah wills, inshallah, let us discuss in next class. Today you have to workout. You have homeworks. Please open your books and take fifth page number 5. Page number 5. There are exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. You have to write down, you have to find out the answer of exercise 4 and 5, 6. Exercise exercise 1 into 1. You have to do question number 4, 5, 6. Okay. Exercise 1 into 1. You have to do question number 4, 5, 6. Okay. I will write in our WhatsApp group. You have to complete your work and you have to post or send your note in our WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you very much for watching our class. Let us see again. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.